So here's what I think is the best bait for bass in fall. If you want to know what lure slash bait is best for bass fishing in fall, check out the Berkley Jerk Shad. This short video shows how, where, and why I fish it, and is what lure slash bait I use to catch bass in the fall.
Look at that. Man. The old jerk shad. So the deal with this jerk shad, it falls, the Berkley one has no salt in it. So like say like the Zoom one or something, it falls fairly quickly. The jerk shad really glides, falls slowly. If you're trying to catch them down deeper, it just takes too long. You're gonna have to wait it or something. But shallow like this, how I like to fish it, I can still fish it fast. I throw it out and I crank my reel a few times and twitch it real fast and make it just dart, skip across the surface. It looks like a minnow that's fleeing, and then it just slow falls, just like barely goes down, and all of a sudden it'll magically just kind of kick and go a different direction. So it looks like a wounded or dying bait fish. But that real quick skitter, when you throw it in super shallow, if there's a little grass mat or on the bank, I'll throw it even on the bank, skitter it out, kill it, and do that 2 or 3 times, and then reel it back in and cast again. It's that burn really fast and then die that triggers them. Otherwise, if you just work it out and twitch it back the whole way, or you let it fall all the way to the bottom, it's going to take forever on a retrieve. In the fall, especially when they're chasing minnows really shallow, that's where that quick retrieve right to the shore and then knock it right, or kill it right away, that's where I trigger a lot of strikes with it. So there's a shallow lay down right here. You watch, I'll throw it past it, work it up to it real fast, twitching and reeling it, and then kill it. So put it past, reel, twitch real fast, right on the surface, almost like a topwater, and then just kill it. And I'll do that again, bring it to the surface, work it real fast. If there's one in there, he's going to eat it when he sees it flying across. I'll try it one more time here. You can actually bring it over the top of the lay down. I'm just scurry it across and just kill it. You don't have to worry about the action of it side to side or whatever. It just looks like a minnow trying to get away, like real frantic. And then the action that makes him eat it is on the bottom when it goes down. A lot of times in the fall, it's so shallow, they get up there chasing little bait, like all the way in the bank. You can't throw a crankbait up there, like topwaters, if it's sunny and bright, they don't want to come up after the first hour. You know, chatterbaits and spinnerbait, you just can't get it up there. That's where this jerk shad in the fall is like my go-to, and I can throw it all the way on the bank or into like yard grass or just viney crap. It goes right on top like a frog. It scurries across and then kills it. In that much water, you can still work this thing, or almost work it as a topwater.